wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best dash cams for Uber and Lyft drivers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the awesafe Dual can help keep you protected without forcing you to dip too deeply into your tip jar to afford it. Despite its low price, it's still capable of recording Full HD video in front and 720p from the back-facing unit. It starts and shuts off automatically and installs in minutes. However, it struggles in dark cabins. At number 9, the wireless connectivity of the Smart Nightscape allows you to transfer video files to your phone and the cloud for safekeeping, with instant share options for popular social media sites like Facebook and Instagram. It works in a wide temperature range and provides lane departure alerts, but its long drive warning is annoying. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the toguard Dual has a pair of 1080p cameras that can face the road or the cabin interior. If you end up in an accident, it can provide a crystal clear picture of the other party's license plate from a fair distance away. The lenses swivel 180 degrees and it includes a built-in mic for audio recording. However, its night vision could be better. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for dash cams for Uber and Lyft drivers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Aukey DRO2-D can capture a lot of action, as it's capable of monitoring 6 lanes of traffic at a time. It's a smart choice for those living in extreme climates too, as it can handle temperatures ranging from -22 to 167 degrees Fahrenheit. It features a fast f2 aperture and a 1080p resolution, but its rear camera sometimes freezes. Moving up our list to number 6, the Rove R2 4K has built-in GPS, allowing you to prove to your insurance adjuster that you were exactly where you said you were when the accident happened. It also lets you track the locations you visited and how quickly you drove there. It's equipped with a slow motion setting and is small and unobtrusive. However, its wireless connection is poor. Halfway up our list at number 5. If you don't feel the need to capture the inside of your vehicle, the vantrue X4 UHD will provide you with 4K images of the road ahead, with automatic loop recording and the ability to accept memory cards of up to 256 gigabytes. This one can shoot at 60 frames per second and is good in dim conditions, but it lacks a Wi-Fi connection. At number 4, the Z-Edge Z3 Pro employs Sony sensors in both its front and interior-facing cameras, with 150-degree views and reliable night vision. Its capacitors can withstand high levels of heat radiating through a windshield. It includes an integrated GPS and comes with a memory card. However, its display is only 2 inches. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the vantrue N4 is a 3-camera system that provides coverage for the inside of your car as well as the front and back. It uses a suction cup mount and an adhesive sticker for a quick setup. It features infrared night vision and automatically saves files when impacts are sensed. It's backed by an 18-month warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for dash cams for Uber and Lyft drivers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Kingslim D4 is one of only a few models out there to offer a 4K resolution in its front-facing sensor, and it does so at a budget-friendly price. Its 3-inch display is touch-sensitive, making menu navigation a breeze. It accepts TF cards of up to 256 gigabytes and offers wide viewing angles. Its loop recording is seamless. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Garmin Tandem comes from a leading name in global positioning systems, and its built-in GPS is reliable, of course. It also connects to your phone for playback rather than using a screen, so it's unobtrusive wherever you install it. It's equipped with USB ports for power and charging and Wi-Fi connectivity, and it provides a 180-degree field of view of your interior. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. www.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for dash cams for Uber and Lyft drivers, or simply click beneath this video.